Oh! Just as I got my net out. Well, Lily's enjoying her bone from our steak dinner, and I'm just relaxing. We're here in Montana, and we're going to do a little fishing on the Missouri for a few days and see what we do. I didn't bring any of the kayaks or the raft or anything, so we just got wade power. But I'm camped at a place that's pretty good bank that I can do a lot of fishing off the bank, so we'll see. We'll see how it works. I might have to don my waders. Okay, stay tuned. Oh. There we go. Oh! Let's go. Well, another little series of not catching any fish, but we're still trying to figure out what they want. So, here we go. Okay, the grill's warm. Let's see. Let's go get a couple hamburgers. Ouch. Hey, good catch. Come here. Bring here. One of the Phillies need you for an outfielder. Oh, now you're playing like they do. Come on. Okay, be a Phillies outfielder. Oh, Lilly. Come on, you gotta be better than that to get drafted on the team. Right here. Bring it here. Yeah, girl. Now you're doing it. Okay, there's the hamburger cheeseburgers. Go in and have us a little bit of dinner. Okay? See you tomorrow. Well, good morning. It's the last day. Finally no wind, so we'll go walk out and see if we can fish a little bit. Hey, before we go any further with this video, please do me a big favor. Share our videos, thumbs up, and subscribe and hit that bell notification. Here we go. You and your stick. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful fish. All right, look at that baby. Look at that beautiful fish. Nice. Wow, look at you. You're a beauty. Look at that. Beautiful fish.